Understanding in-app journals for emotional well-being.
This in-app journals are digital tools found in many mental health apps, designed to help you track emotions, thoughts, and daily experiences. Using these journals can support self-reflection, reveal patterns in your mood, and assist in managing stress or anxiety. This step-by-step guide will help you make the most of digital journaling for your emotional well-being.
Getting started with your digital journal.
First, open your chosen mental health app and locate the journal feature. Most apps include a tab or section labeled Journal or Diary. Tap to enter, then look for an option to create a new entry. Typically, you'll see prompts such as date, mood rating, and space for your reflections. Start by entering how you feel today.
Tracking thoughts and feelings effectively.
When making an entry, describe your thoughts, emotions, and any triggering events. Many apps offer mood icons or sliders to help rate how you feel. Be honest and specific. Note not just what happened, but how it made you feel. Writing about both positive and challenging emotions can help you gain deeper insight into your patterns over time.
Using prompts and reminders.
Digital journals often include prompts like, "What went well today?" or "What are you grateful for?" Use these questions to guide your writing, especially when unsure what to say. Many apps also let you set up regular reminders to ensure journaling becomes a habit, supporting consistency in your mental health tracking.
Reviewing and reflecting on past entries.
Regularly review your past journal entries to spot trends in your mood or behavior. Many apps display progress charts or summaries for easy reflection. By recognizing repeated thought patterns, triggers, or improvements, you can better understand your emotional well-being and discuss insights with a mental health professional if needed.
Tips for making digital journaling a lasting habit.
To make digital journaling effective, set a regular time each day for entries and keep them brief and genuine. Personalize your journal by adding tags or customizing prompts when possible. Remember, there is no right or wrong way. Your entries are for your eyes only and are a valuable tool for self-care and emotional growth.